Okay, now we need to find the value of x here, right? Now, what the method come to my mind? We can prove this ABO triangle and CDO, this triangle, congruent, right? So let's see do that, right? I feel this is congruent, this triangle and this triangle we can prove congruent. So I will write here like this. I will write roughly what the reason also. But the in triangle I will write using short form ABO, triangle ABO n, right? And what the CDO, right? CDO triangle, right? Triangle, okay, I will put it like this, triangle CDO. You can use the word. Okay, then in they tell no, this is the common circle, center, this two circle, this is the circumcircle, we can call like that. This circle both has same center, or is the center for both. So that's why here we can tell like this way: OA equal to OC, right? OA, I will write this triangle thing in here first, because I wrote that triangle now first. So in this triangle information I will write first. That means AO equal to what the OC. What the reason? Radius of same circle, right? Radius of the same circle, right? I will write roughly radius of the same circle, right? Then like that, try to remember, you need to write it, right? Right, okay, then if they ask to write the reason, you need to write it. Then here OB, now I will mark even this one, the AO equal to COOC, this one, right? And OB equal to what, the OD. This is the radius of the bigger circle, no? Outer circle, this one, OB. This is the radius of the, forget about this small one. Now this is the radius of the bigger circle, outer circle. And OB and OD. OD also is radius. So OB equal to OD. Again same reason, radius of same circle. You can write like that way the reason. Then after, now what I am trying to do here, if I tell you it roughly like this. Now think in a triangle, when you have this way two triangle, if you have two side, this side equal this side, and this side and this side equal this middle angle, this angle equal this angle, this way, then we can tell congruent. We call normally side angle side, SAS, two side included angle, normally we call included angle. This in this triangle, two side, that two side make an angle, no, that angle also equal to here, but this side equal this side, this side equal this side, and middle angle also equal. So we call a side angle side, SAS. That in that case these two congruent. Congruent mean exactly equal, right? So basic way you can think like that. Okay, then now we prove this two, this equal, and this two, this equal. Now we need to prove this two equal. How? This two also equal. What, the AOB angle equal to this one. What the reason? DOC. What the reason? Reason is vertically opposite angle, right? Vertically opposite angle, right? You can write that way the reason. Okay, now we prove like this, two side and included angle, two side and included angle equal. So that's why now you can tell that's why what the ABO triangle congruent to what the CDO triangle. Okay, now these two congruent. That's why if this is congruent, now you can tell what the, now here opposite angle, now this side OA, opposite angle is this one, no, 20. So in this triangle, this is the corresponding side to OA. OA to equal OC, no? So that's why this is the corresponding side, matching side, corresponding side, and this side opposite angle is X. That means these two must be equal. So you can tell then after what the X equal to 20. For the reason you can write corresponding, like that. I will not write the whole thing. Corresponding angle of congruent triangle, like that, right? Congruent triangle, like that. You can write the reason, but the corresponding angle of congruent triangle. That's the reason. So that's way we can tell X equal 20.